Guys, let's make a shout out to my video. In in Mon in Monday at May 4, I will check this video, and if I see someone who's the more me's in the chat, I will pin it, and I will make a shout out for that from my video. So spam the me in the chat. So good luck to you guys. So I'm not the judge of you, but at least you're the guy that wants to be shout out. So if you are subscribed to me, so you have a bonus of me. I will plus 10 of your me's. So make sure to like and subscribe. So good luck. Bye.